babe. So the first thing that you're going to see me doing is just going ahead and brushing out my hair, making sure it's nice and detangled. This is going to be super easy this time because I just had a silk press and I'm super sad to see it go, but that's what we're doing. We're going to go ahead and detangle really good. And now babes, you're going to see me just parting my hair into these sections and putting the clip on it to help it stay. Normally I don't need the clip, but since my hair is so straight, I need it this time. And once we finish, we're going to go ahead and hop into the shower because my wash days work best that way. Now that we are in the shower, we're just going to go ahead and get my hair super drenched all the way around. It's steamy because I love a hot shower and it penetrates my hair better. So the first thing we're going to be going in with is this MannaMood Chia Growth Shampoo. So far I have really been loving all of their products, so we're just going to add it in, and as you can see, it lathers up pretty well. So I'm just going to go section to section and make sure that my hair is good and clean so we can go ahead and go to the next step. As you guys can see, my curls are starting back to pop and I love that. Next, we're going to be going in with the Chia Growth Hydra Mask. And so I really just love how this smelled and made my hair feel. And so my hair just looks super moisturized when I got done with the product. I like to use a good amount because my hair is really thick. So you're just going to see me going in section by section. But be sure to go from the root all the way to the end of the hair so the entire hair strand is penetrated. And as you guys can see, the curls are popping and they are just ready to get twisted up. And so when I'm done, babes, I like to go across the top of the hairs too, just to make sure that everything got done really well. And then this is me just showing you guys what we are looking like after we get out, and I'm just going to let it sit on there for a second. Alrighty babes, and so I washed out the conditioner and now I'm just going to put on this microfiber towel because I don't like to do my twist on completely wet hair. So we're just going to let it dry a little bit in this towel while we wait. Alright y'all, so I have gotten all different shots and angles and things trying to get the perfect shot for you guys. So this is what we are looking like, looking really juicy, healthy, and moisturized. So I feel like my hair just hold products and shine and looks so much better when it's basically dry. So that's what we are doing. So I have some clips that I can insert, just kind of trying to show you guys the party and things like that. I am not gonna lie, at the back I did not put a whole bunch of effort because I just ain't nobody got time for it. And so here up here at the front though, I did want my parts to look a little bit neater. So we're just going to go ahead, this is probably going to be to the last 2 rows. And so what I did was I would part the hair, and then you are going to want to take either a big comb or like this brush that I got from MannaMood, and you're just going to want to start from the roots and go all the way down and make sure that it's nice and smooth. And so I have been using their ultra hydrating detangling leave-in cream. So I've just been going in with a, not like too much, but my hair, it needs a good amount of product. So I do go in with a good amount because I want it to be nice and moisturized and juicy and healthy while I have it left up in this protective style. Alright, so next I have been going in with the Hydra Growth Gel. And so just go in. So I like to do the cream and then the gel and then the oil to like lock in and seal everything. And so go in with the gel, and this gel isn't like really jelly, if that makes sense. To me it's more like a moisturizer, but it seems to be doing what it needs to do. And so yeah, after that we just do that and then we smooth, and then I like to go in with a smaller rat tail comb after everything has been smoothed out and detangled. Just go like that. And then you can use a comb if you like to. I have just been separating and pulling it really tight. And then you need to go in with some type of like shining gem or gel or something right at the root, so it has a firm hold. And yeah, we're just going to go like that. And then what I do is I separate it into 3 pieces. And I braid down a little bit, just so it stays tight. And then you just form it into a twist. And I try to make sure that I'm keeping my twist really tight because they try to unravel and look like thicker. And so that's why I do smaller pieces and just keep it tight and go all the way down. And then when you're getting closer to the ends, you want to make sure you are just smoothing the ends so everything looks nice and put together, but then it's also easy to take down when you take it down. So there we go. Then when you get to the end, you can just put a little bit more gel on your fingertips, and then yeah, boom. Here we go. And just curl it at the end to add that nice coil. And that is literally what I've been doing the whole process. I probably will show you guys one more time when I get to the last one. And then yeah, but look how even it's just looking nice and moisturized and curly. And so everything is looking hydrated, and I love that. Y'all, so we have finally made it to the last twist. Again, I'm going to just show you guys that I'm going to apply this Shine and Gem right here to the base to make it real smooth and have a firm hold. And then I am just going to smooth it out. I have already added those products, the cream, the gel, and then the leave-in. And again, we're just going to split it into 3. We're going to braid down a little. And then we're just going to start to twist, and you want to just keep everything nice and neat and tight as you're doing this. Just pull it all the way down. About halfway through, I do like to take the comb and comb out each end again, just to make sure that things are staying smooth and looking nice. And then we get here to the end, and then we are just going to go ahead and add the gel again to the end. And as we get to the bottom there, we're just going to coil it up so everything looks nice and curly. Hey y'all, so this is what we are looking like, all finished and done. It looks so good. It looks so moisturized. So MannaMood also has an edge control. I talked about this in one of my other vlogs when I initially tried them out. And so just going to use this, and I love this brush and how easy it makes it to just lay your baby hairs. So we're just going to go ahead and lay the hairs, and that is going to complete the style, babes, period. Alrighty babes, and this is what we are looking like. So the edges are laid. I love this stuff. Like, you don't need a lot at all. It lays my edges all day long. I have been using this ever since I tried it out back in like August, I want to say. And so yeah, like I said, just super moisturized and juicy twist. Really do like this. Like, MannaMood, you are doing the thing with these products. And so I just wanted to support more Black owned businesses. And so yeah, I really like how my hair turned out. And so if you guys are interested in trying out these for yourself, I will have everything linked down below. And yeah, feel free to test them out.